is damn good. Today we are going to wear kimonos. Yeah. Just videoing the sign. I'm helping you record your memory of you climbing. I know. You're almost there. We went up to the shrine. Got chicken and egg rice bowl, small soba.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, this for me.
I think I'm also gonna get this.
Wow,
It looks very good, and that's the one that. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, let's go there. Let's do that then.
Okay, let's do. We are done.
Yeah.
Oh, we decided them fast. 4.5 star with 1,648 reviews. We shall see whether it's good. Our food is here. It looks super good.
はい、こちらごま豆腐ですね。はい、失礼いたします。
はい、ありがとう。
ごめんなさい、ここ置きます。全部でございます。はい。
There's tofu also. Wow. We thought we were gonna return it soon in 1 hour.
In 1 hour, yeah.
Yeah. The shop, yeah, a lot of shops closed
Shop
already.
POPS
Yes.
MOMS
YING YANG.
Alphabet in Japanese or alphabet only?
Alphabet. Alphabet.
Oh, can do in Japanese. This
Can choose one or can choose both?
Both?
Both, okay.
Okay. Please let me pronounce.
Pops.
Pops. Wow, it is very
Moms.
Moms.
Moms. Moms.
Okay.
Ing.
In.
Yang.
Yeah. Okay. Takes 20 minutes.
Okay.
20 minutes.
Thank you.
Please come back later.
Okay.
Shop closes 6 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you.
I haven't decided.
You decide now.
No.
Cause one they take 5 minutes to engrave.
Oh, it looks very nice.
Came to this chopstick shop.
I know my parents are so.
You should. This is the name of the shop. I think it's called Chopsticks and Engravings. Sorry, chopsticks and tableware. I found this place on Google or like some recommendation online. Really not bad, really. Free engraving with a lot of the chopsticks. And there's a lot of chopsticks to choose from. One chopstick engraving is 5 minutes. This is the Miffy shop. The sky is super dark even though it's like 5:30. Greetings over there. We are at Asakusa and we're super early today. Yay! It's raining and it's very cold.
It's not open yet.
Yeah, but not open.
We walk to the lemon bread.
Yes.
The melon bread.
But not bad. We are like, actually, it's a good decision to come out.
Yeah.
Then we can see the
I thought we stay underground also no point, right?
right. Let me show you the street. Most of the shops are not open yet. Got some shops open already, but so many tourists eh. Imagine at 11. Confirm
No,
like
with all the
full
umbrellas.
house.
No,
Then it will be shelter. It will be sheltered for us.
But you cannot leave through any.
Getting some free tea. How you?
You push for me, push. No, push, yeah.
I push for you.
Ah, that's the way.
Teamwork.
Thank you very much.
Queuing for this matcha place and it's 10:05, but queue already damn long. Crazy, yeah. 10:05, it's like 5 minutes only, but wow. Let me show you the queue. This is the queue. Oh, the matcha looks good. Is there anything? Ice cream.
お待たせしました。つけ麺ですね。シューパリスーパーにございます。スープにディップして食べてください。
This English perfectly worked for me. Yes, because when I saw,
Looks good.
it's like, oh, where comes that? What
A lot at the portion. We have left Asakusa and we are now at Harajuku. I went to shit. Everything is at Uniqlo, so now I'm going to find her. I really love how Japan toilets are super clean and super nice. Yeah, so we're at Harajuku and I guess it's shopping time. I feel like I bought a lot of matcha things today. So far we ate like the melon pan, then I drank the matcha latte, and then we ate some red bean thing that I didn't video because it was too rushed. Then we ate ramen. Everything was craving ramen, and then the ramen was so good. So the story is that on day one, when we first arrived at night, we went to eat this ramen, which, wow, really very bad. So just now that one was really very good, and there was no queue. So we got very lucky. Okay, film later. We shall go and find her in a very big Uniqlo now.
It's so embarrassing.
So the memories.
Trying to buy for my sister is like 473,644. Yeah lah, this is the one. This is the cheap one.
The 2990
Yes.
one, but it's only one of it.
Never mind. I buy one better than nothing.
Okay.
Okay, then this one
Yeah.
is very slow leh, don't have.
Take video ah. Where's the word?
Don't have.
Oh my god, I give up lah. It's okay, we give up. Oh, it's us. Oh, I I see you. So cool. So many people. Welcome to Japan. So many tourists. Say hi. Ah. Okay, let me find the sweet box. We are very near leh. It should be on the right side. Like maybe slightly more front. Apparently you have to come to Harajuku to eat crepes. Sweet box. Harajuku crepes. She's zooming to the crepes. Okay, time for the real deal, guys. So cute. What's this? We are in Daiso. So everything without price tag is 100 yen, which you convert is like less than $1. Then sometimes that things with price tag like 200, 300. So we are like shopping now. And I bought laundry nets. So you can see. It's only level 1. And we have already spent like 10 plus minutes. Today is like just shopping, eating, and everything. Oh, I never update about the tips. It's not bad. We had the cinnamon apple one. I think like there's so many crepe stores here, so 差不多一样. But the one we went to has like a lot of Google reviews. So yeah, it's called Sweet Box. Sweet Box. This is our part 2 dinner. Because we ate omurice just now and very bad. We didn't, okay lah, not very bad. The meat cold, but rice is acceptable. But overall not very good. So part 2. I think this is my standing. I'm reunited. This chicken is not bad. We're on the way to Disney. We need to take train to Tokyo Station, then change again. I think we'll reach Disney in like 1 hour. See y'all in 1 hour. We're ready for the crowd.
Almost there.
Show the crowd. And now cannot see, but it's very crowded. We haven't entered yet, but we are music is
empty.
yeah. See the view. Is it all the adults very stressed? That's why like all of us come here and feel damn happy. Like quite sad actually, but okay, never mind.
Why are you thinking about that now?
Everyone's dressed up for Halloween.
Disneyland.
Yeah, I think we need to find our way to Disney Sea. Okay, for a joke we alighted at the wrong station. still go and take the map ourselves. Oh, I think I download the app. It's now like all digital.
Surely they'll still have some.
Yeah. I have the deja vu feeling. It's been like 10 years since I've been here. No physical map now. So we're using this.
I know, we see from here. See from here.
Oh, how do you go there?
Yeah. We see from here. Free popcorn for you.
Just a free popcorn. Because some lady bought too much. I mean, she had to buy a set or something. Then, I guess we got free things to eat. Thanks to this.
I guess we can eat the popcorn.
Yeah, okay. Pay it forward. If I need to buy a set, I will give it to someone. This is so cute. Can ride it together leh. Anything that happened like 10 years ago, but loving the Disney vibe. Can't wait to shop and take the ride. Actually, we came to Disney Sea because we wanted to take this Enchanted Tango ride, and then actually it's called the what? Some lagoon or something. Yeah, so yeah, the queue damn long, but we are queuing for it. See you at the ride.
Now at last, let's see the lights. ようこそ皆さん。安全な旅にするためのお願いです。座席から立ち上がったり、ボートから手や足を出したりせず、小さいお子さんから目を離さないでくださいね。また、建物の中に入ったら、フラッシュを使った撮影はしないように。では、ランタンフェスティバルに向けて出発。Welcome aboard. For your safety, please remain seated with your photography indoors. Onward to the Lantern Festival. 各位游客，欢迎登船。为了
Braving the cold. Just go things. We're on a bridge. Trying to film myself. it cold?
It's cold, but actually it's not like super duper cold.
But then when the wind blows, it's like...
Yeah, but when the wind blows.
Just chilling now. 2:49 PM. We haven't eaten lunch. We ate a very light breakfast today. I had a chicken wing. And then I had some popcorn and some cookie. A very nice lady. And after that, I ate the mochi thingy. And after that, now we are going to walk to lunch soon. We haven't spent much money today yet. Our damage yesterday was already very bad. I'm loving this dress that I got from this new blog shop. Hit for luck. And then this jacket that I haven't worn forever, but it's furry and pink and it's keeping me warm in this cold wind. Okay, later I'll try to remember to film lunch. We finally found the lunch place. Wow. Took us damn long. Okay, our food is here.
It's not bad. Sour? Yeah, you try. I cut this thing. Oh, yeah. No, yeah. Why?
Getting the Disney vibes now. Cannot buy, but can take video. It's kinda nice. This one looks quite nice too. I bought two previously when I was in Hong Kong Disneyland like 2 years ago, but 还有 after that 放在家里 then 没有用 so cannot buy today.
These are like the small that they use instead of all cookies.
My haul for today. So cute. This is like 1,600 yen. Means like maybe 15 SGD. So cute. It's a keychain. To commemorate the day. We're back in the city area and we're at Akihabara and trying this ramen place. Specialized in dry ramen. Ratings boyfriend Matthew recommended us. Thanks Matthew. We just placed our order inside and then we got a ticket, then we passed to the counter, then we have to wait outside for the seat. Oh, the portion looks huge. There is a spoon. Just finished dinner and wanted to get some milk pie, but then didn't make it because the shop closed already. So never mind. Now we are at Donkey. So we are going to shop. And I think there's like 4 levels. Our strategy is to go from top to bottom. We entered Donkey at 9, so I don't know what time we'll get out, but don't know whether to buy anything. Stay tuned. So basket now is still empty. Okay, we split ways to see what we want because the floor damn a lot of people, very hard to move, but I'll find waiting later.
Thank you for shopping at Donkey Hotel today.
Thanks for this. 1 hour and 15 minutes. Of stress more. Chocolate office. And also this pencil no hair oil. Purely buying this for the better. Okay, so I'm just going to put the nail care oil. This one, the mascara I'm using now, because it's cheaper in Japan. It's slightly cheaper now. We wait for some sales actually about same price, but just buying this other because it's Japan. And trying this viral hair mask hair oil. Which is for my friend. So we should like this. And then the rest of it is just food. About 5 boxes of spice onion and 2 boxes of this golden hair. I don't think I saw this in Singapore yet. Please tell me more in Singapore. Yeah, so this is my haul. I try to practice self-control.
Yung sa Lawson yung sa tabi ng sa Lawson lang yung malapit sa akin. Ayun, nanoblock na sa akin.
Okay, so funny. So I'm gonna put all this thing back. I'm not gonna buy anymore because I realized that's not the real price of it. Waiting to me, the packaging is different from the one. Then I realized, yeah, how is different. So now my basket quite empty. Here's my updated basket. Morning. It's day 4 and we left hotel later today because yesterday was so tiring. We walked about 20 steps, I think more than 20. So we just had a very small breakfast here at Onigiri, and now we are at Tokyo Station looking for souvenirs to buy, which is like Tokyo banana and like fresh butter sand and everything. Tokyo Station is so big, and now we are at a convenience store looking for more food. Only in Japan 7-Eleven. Look at the spread, and it continues on. This is crazy. I'm gonna buy this for Sean. Perfect cheese. We are back at the hotel and Yu Ting highly recommended this chicken snack. I've never heard of it before, but the packaging is super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try one now and then I'm gonna buy it back for my family also. Reading highly raves about it. She said damn good. Let's try. She asked me to record myself because she's not there. Let me try. Oh my god, so cute. Look, it got chicken. It really looks like a chicken. Oh my goodness. No. I'm gonna try it.
Try it.
Wow.
Is it nice? You get what I mean by melts in your mouth?
It's nice. It is like the the Mooncake Festival got this.
Correct. The mooncake.
Yeah.
The outside, but better.
I'm gonna buy it. It's damn good.
And it's so cute.
Yeah.
I can't resist the fact that it's so cute.
Found this matcha shop. It's called Ikade Tea Store Matcha. Let's see whether we can find any good things here. Oh, see, she's eating the ice cream. Try to get the ice cream also, and I want to see about the matcha powder. We have to ask like 2 people to get here. Hey, got onigiri. Your favorite. Okay, let me see. I'm so happy.
Matcha is bomb. This is an old school tea shop at Shinjuku Station. They sell a lot of matcha powder and they also sell matcha latte and matcha ice cream. I think the ice cream is very good. I got the mixed flavor, which is like the vanilla and matcha. I love it. Would recommend. Not that I haven't gotten much matcha yet. And we're already halfway through a trip, so I'll try to get more matcha.
It's been hectic with like all the things
Spend the afternoon at Shibuya.
It's further in. Yeah, so just nice we walk over there.
Okay. Hopefully our dinner place got no queue.
If it's queue, then how? Just queue lah.
If the see the queue how long?
Okay lah.
Hopefully Ryan is
Just
good.
now,
Ryan.
yeah.
Soba. Hopefully we get to eat our soba. Soba. Rui Ting says that they put more effort in the drain covers here.
Yeah, they do.
Got sakura.
So nice. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Let's continue walking.
You like skewers?
Hope the food is good. The ambience looks good. We ordered soba with prawn and vegetable tempura. And they even gave us hot towels. Thank you. Wow, they gave us this. Thank you. So effort, I even got this thing. 80 grams of soba, not a lot, but I think
I know better than that. Regardless of what.
the waiter just came and told us that he's gonna give us this soba yu. And we are supposed to drink it. It's the hot water used to boil the soba noodles. Contains many vitamins and protein as well as a nutrient called lutein that is rich in antioxidants. Not bad, not bad. It comes in this big pot. That's so optimistic.
Your phone. Put that side first.
It sounds quite okay.
Yeah.
I'd rather drink this than this.
Maybe I got number from Love Marketing.
Tastes like ginseng chicken soup without the ginseng.
Or other number. Because today,
It's a bit bland, but it's okay lah. So I need to put some salt. Oh my god.
well, I think she's asking you about the international summit.
Oh, you're using it.
Only in June. Only in June. Yeah.
Can you try now?
Not even on like Well, like the Greece, like the Greece is coming.
Not approved by rating.